So
Right.
ROI is a really large focus of this transformation effort. It is not a small investment to
Yeah.
try to transform an organization to do things
100%.
differently. You're bringing in tools, you're asking people to take their time away to learn things. So there needs to be some level of return on that
Yeah,
investment.
absolutely.
In the early days, before we really took the plunge into deciding that we were going to go all in on this transformation, what we were looking at is the problems in the organization that we thought AI would be a really good solution for. So I think the first thing that we looked at was information fragmentation,
Yep.
right? Like that's something that every organization deals with.
Totally makes
Some deal with it more than others, but every organization deals with it.
Yeah.
I did a study internally that showed how big that problem was across our sales team. So our sales team, they're talking to our customers, they're talking to prospects. They need to be experts on our platform and experts in our solutions, right? So there's all sorts of internal documents that are fragmented in all these different places.
Yeah.
And they're spending hours, used to spend hours of their week every week
100%.
hunting for answers to questions.
100%.
It's a great use case for AI because you can train, a GPT or an agent, whatever it is that you're working with, an assistant on that internal repository of knowledge.
Yeah.
And then instead of hunting for the answers to those questions, you can ask the GPT and the GPT gives you answers immediately, right?
Yeah.
So we put a value on how big that problem was to our organization. We projected what bringing AI in could actually mean for that problem. And just in that one study, just in that one use case, that was really clear to all of the senior leaders and executives in our organization that this is something worth investing in.
Cool.
So, fast forward to, it's probably about 18 months ago. So 18 months later, we are working our way through this transformation, making tons of progress.
Really cool.
And for all of our most meaningful efforts, most meaningful use cases, most meaningful GPTs that we're building, I try to build an ROI model for each of those.